Alright, where's Annie Starfighter at?
Yes.
That's Annie Starfighter?
Yeah.
Where's Annie at?
Right here in the hand. And this is this. That's this. And how does it smell? I don't have it. Okay. And this is a puppy dog. And these are backyard droids.
Are they good guys or bad guys?
Bad guys. This is Yoda. He's a being this guy. He's a bad guy. But he's a being Yoda because he doesn't make him. But this guy's fun to fight Luke. And I know what Luke uses.
What's that?
He uses a lightsaber.
That's right.
But you know
Do Jedis use guns?
No.
What do they use?
Lightsaber.
Oh.
You can't. No. Where's my holder? They know my holder is. Oh, there it is. Oh, there. Oh, yeah. They use lightsabers.
Peyton, how old are you?
Years old.
3 years old. You got a lot of Legos for a 3-year-old.
Yep, I know. You got them that.
Yeah.
What they fight each other.
Are they having a fight? Who's gonna win? Who won?
Nine and Yoda.
Who's gonna win that one?
Yoda.
You know why?
Why?
Because he's a Jedi Master.
And this, now see, but sometimes it doesn't pass so good.
No.
No, he fights. He just uses his moves. He just uses his moves. He drops his sword, he gets his sword, and starts shooting. And Luke. And Luke starts shooting. Then the shot guy. Then he hides in the secret lair. He just hops in, closes the doors.
Alright. Say, see you next time.
See you next time.
Go to the camera. Go to kiss.
See you next time.